what's up? I'm back with another YouTube video. I know it's been a while, seems to be becoming a trend with me, but today I'm here to talk about the Insta360 One X. It's a 360 camera. You can see it's got camera on both sides and it shoots in up to 5.7K resolution. So I've mainly been using it for 2D video the past couple weeks. Essentially, I'll just shoot the video and then in editing, I can just choose whatever angle I want to view. So I could go forward facing, or I could go back towards myself, off to the side to, see a buddy if he's snowboarding beside me. I love that because it's sort of like having all these cameras on you and going from camera A to camera B, camera C, but you just have to hold one thing. You don't have to carry a camera on your back or on your head, or one in front, two on your shoulders. With this invisible selfie stick, as they call it, essentially the lenses are pointing out either direction, and because the selfie stick is right down the middle, the lenses hide that selfie stick. So it's stitched right down the middle and you actually don't see the stick. So all you end up seeing is just your hand. And if you hold it just right and natural enough, it looks like you're not riding with a camera at all. When I'm snowboarding, it kind of feels like there's a little drone hovering out in front of me when I watch the footage. It's really crazy. And something else I want to try is to film with my Mavic 2 Pro and just hang this from the bottom of the drone. I bought a little kit from Insta360 off their website, and it clips onto the bottom of the Mavic 2, and essentially I can now fly 360 videos from the air. So Scarlett and I are out here today in the woods. We're gonna do a few flights, try this out, maybe go down by the river and check that out as well. For now though, check out these shots from snowboarding and trampoline park and a few other things over the past couple weeks.
Are the lenses projecting? But I know where they are, but which, so they're filming out?
They're 180 both, so
180 every direction?
yeah, two 180.
So it's filming like,
everything except for right here.
it's filming in a sphere, it's not home.
So everything except for
inside out.
Winterland, tell me all your secrets. Fill me in on your wildest moments. Colored trees, your yellow leaves move me. Dancing roofs, your painted red shakes the room. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get
pretty sure the angle was like right on too. Okay, let's see. So I have to attach this to the bottom of the drone. It kind of clips in there. And then you have to clip this over. You've got the camera strapped to the bottom of the drone. Well, that was a ton of fun filming with the drone and the 360 camera. Definitely a new way of shooting from the air. Also, really like that tiny planet view. I know it's a bit gimmicky, but you know what? If you keep doing the same old, it gets kind of boring. So trying up something new. Pretty impressed with the stabilization, even just walking with it now with the selfie stick. No gimbal, it's just all the internal stabilization of the camera, and it's pretty smooth. Hopefully the sound is good. I haven't really tested out the mic on this thing yet, but I'm just using the internal mic on the camera as well. So if you like the video, hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below if you've tried a 360 camera and what you think of the One X. It's pretty amazing so far, and I can't wait to keep shooting with it more.